Today I'm going to show you guys my complete nighttime skincare routine. We're not going to waste any time. Let's hop straight into it. First thing we're going to do is cleanse our face. We're going to get rid of all that dirt, all of that debris that's accumulated on our face throughout the day. I'm using the hydrating cleanser from Bolden. I'll leave the links to all the products that I use in the description. So I'm just going to apply this straight to my face. I don't like to mix it with water at first. I like to pay attention to the areas that I flare up with acne the most. This tends to be my forehead, just really the T-zone, which is really the forehead, the nose. We're gonna get some more here. This is kind of the consistency that it has. Just making sure that it gets everywhere on my face, but especially the problem areas. Pro tip, do not forget your neck. Alright, now that the cleanser is all over my face, pause! Now that the cleanser is evenly distributed along my face, I'm just gonna go in with the water. It's gonna create some suds, but I'm gonna try to aim for at least 60 seconds just to make sure that the product has enough time to do its job. I don't like to use those harsh tools on my face like spin brushes or those other like massage brushes. I don't really see a need for them. Your fingers are the perfect tools for the job. I'm just saying a lot of such. But yeah, your hands will definitely be enough. Just make sure that you're being thorough, make sure to scrub in there. So yeah, I think it's been about 60 seconds, probably a little longer than that. So I'm just gonna rinse the cleanser off of my face. It definitely helps if you have some towel underneath you because you will wet up the surface in your bathroom. Now, one of the reasons why I love using this product is because it contains salicylic acid, and salicylic acid is perfect for unclogging your pores and getting rid of acne. Now that I'm done cleansing my face, I'm going to go straight into the next product, which is a toner. I'm not going to use a towel on my face. I'm not a fan of that. I'm just going to put this into my hands and apply it straight to my face. I know on the bottle it'll tell you to use a cotton pad, but I don't really see a difference with it, and I don't have cotton pads, so we're just going to make do with what we've got. Now the reason I'm using this toner is because it contains niacinamide, which is perfect for getting rid of hyperpigmentation and just improving the overall texture of your skin. Immediately after that, we're gonna go on to our night cream. This is from Tiege Hanley. It's the PM moisturizer, and we're just gonna apply this pretty sparingly to our face. The reason I'm using this is because it contains retinol, and retinol is perfect. Retinol or retinoids, it's like vitamin A. And basically what this does is it helps to improve or increase or speed up cell turnover. For those of you who have been keeping up with me for a while, you know that I use minoxidil on my beard for beard growth. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take a little bit of it, not even the full 1 milliliter, because I'm only focusing on this area right now. I'm only trying to get it to connect. So a little quick update on the minoxidil. I only use it once a day now, only in the evening, and I only use it on this area just to give it a little boost. I'm pretty good everywhere else, but I just want this area to connect. So I'm just gonna apply it. Now that you know how to take care of your skin in the evening, make sure that you watch this video next, where I go over 12 skincare mistakes that are making you look unattractive. And nobody likes to look unattractive. So if you want to know what those bad habits are and how to fix them, make sure to click this video right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.